What's up, guys? Your boy Cody here. And check it out, guys. I'm getting everything ready for the wire stripper. We're done for the day. We went and mowed and weed eated at 1 yard. I know it's not very much, but I had other stuff to do. Like we're getting this ready to go so we can start stripping copper. This is our stripping wire down to the copper so we can get that damn good money out of it. If you guys want to know where to order one of these at, check the comments below. If I don't leave a link, say something. So basically today, guys, what we're doing, we're going to get this out of the package right here. We're going to take her out here in a second because she won't shut the hell up. All right. I know we need to mop our garage floor. Okay, we're going to put that out for a little bit further. Make sure our holes line up. Okay. All right.
Mount that and then mount it on the bench.
Okay. All right, guys. What's up, guys? You're back with your boy Cody here. We got our holes drilled. As you can see, they're right on the money. Just like everything else I do, it's perfect.